Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can block Snapchat AI. So let's just get started. So as per the update, there is no such inbuilt function to block Snapchat AI, but there is an alternative way that is just like blocking Snapchat AI. So let's just get started with that one. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Snapchat and then go to chats, and then over here search for my AI conversation. So it's not over here, so I'm just go with the search button and then go with my AI like this. And now what you need to do is just go to my AI profile and then go to top right corner where we'll be having three dots, and then go to chat and notification settings, and then you'll be having an option which says clear from chat feed. So just go with it and just press clear, and then it will be gone guys. Now you cannot see your my Snapchat AI over here, and there will no be any conversation of it until and unless you search it by yourself. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this alternative way is very much effective for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.